Hello, hello. Welcome
Yes.
to Cambly. I'm John Flano. Who are you?
Yeah, I am from India. I am Imrojit.
Oh, hi. Well, I'm from San Francisco, California, but I am
Wow.
currently living in Bangkok, Thailand
Oh, why are you living here?
because I can. Because I love the city. I love
Okay.
Thailand. It's better
Wow.
than my home country.
Wow. That's the main reason, right?
Yeah, it's good. Um, I don't want to be rude, but I just want to say hello. But I have a reservation student coming very quickly. But
Okay.
I just wanted to pick up your call and say hello and thank
Thank you.
you. And
See you soon.
maybe we can talk another time, possibly. I would like that.
Okay.
But
Okay.
I have another reservation
Yes.
calling.
Bye.
Okay. Okay. Thank you very much for,
Take
okay.
care.
Have a good day. Bye bye. Thank you.